Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, November 4th here. Got up, she ran down, went to enclosure, grabbed a peanut, went up the tree, and start eating that breakfast of hers. So it's still pretty dark out. It's a little bit after 6 o'clock here. So yeah, she's eating her peanut up there. Just fed the chickens. The dogs are out. They want to go back in and eat. And they're always having breakfast. She's probably done now. She comes. Once across. Hi, good morning. You're coming to me? Good morning, Lily. Hey. Oh, she's going down there. She knows where the peanuts are. Or the nuts. Hey, you got an almond? I'm gonna zoom out here. Hey, what you got? You're gonna bury that? Yeah. You wanna bury that there? You can go there? She's trying to go bury that. Alright. So stay tuned, guys. That's half part of it. There she goes. Okay, this is what I built. You can see the squirrel's nest is going to be here. I'm going to drill a hole in the middle. The squirrel's nest right here, it's going to come out. I figured I would block off one side. It could come out on this side. This is all with the scrap wood that I have. So that way, I figured I block one side. It'll cut back on the wind for the winter months. This is basically stapled and glued together. It took me like 5 minutes to build. Really, very simple project. I just have to go up there, drill a hole on the side of the nest. Drill a hole on the side of the nest so she can come in and out, and then out from there. So I might just do it on the further end on this side, so there's less, hopefully less wind, instead of compared to the middle on the other side. She's had both. She can leave on both sides. This side she can only leave them once. This gives her another option just in case she has to jump out real quick, and this way it'll jump out toward the tree. This is, this side is not going anywhere. That's why I blocked this side off. So it's like dual purpose for this build. So I just basically rest this on top of the nest. Let me just put this here. Rest this on top of the nest. Got like a 1.5 inch overhang. What I'm gonna do is basically put a bead of glue on the underside of this, on the underside of this, and then staple the two edge, and that should seal it, prevent the water from coming in and down. And then from the bottom, same thing. That's why I did this right here, so I can just put a staple right there on the side, and on this side, on this side right here, on the edges, and that should be good. I didn't go up and measure, so I'm just guesstimating the width of this. So hopefully, even if it's a little shorter, it should be fine. It just hangs on the top, so it's not a big deal. It's flush. It's pretty flush, as you can see, on that. So it just rests on the side. There's basically, if this was the nest top right there, with this clip on right on top right there. If you can picture that. Obviously this is upside down right now, so all right, I'm gonna have to have my wife come out here and help me hold the ladder down, because that's like I don't know, 15, 16 feet up. It's pretty high. And I don't like heights. All right. So I'm up in a tree and look at her. Looks like it's pretty cozy in here. She has so many leaves in there. I don't know if you can see. It's hard to, I don't want to lean back on this ladder, but that's pretty cool. She looks like she made a nice home in there. It should be nice and warm for her. All right. Okay. And it's mounted, as you can see. Let me flip this around so you see that. So now she can. It's high up here, but it's all mounted. It's glued on top. All right, let me get down. There you go. Much better, much safer angle from here. You can see now she has another exit out closest to that tree, so just another safety precaution for her. But looks like she made a really nice nest for herself up there. There's a lot of leaves up there she collected, so she's been very busy. You know, I know there's going to be more draft going in with another entrance, but for safety reasons I'd rather, you know, her be safe than and she could always get more leaves and everything, pack that thing a little more to stay a little warmer. So all right, let me just clean up here. Okay, this is from this angle, the second exit or entry. You see that right there? Just this side is open, and the hole is all the way, you see my hand, sorry, all the way on the opposite side of where that is. So that should keep, I don't know, maybe keep the wind or draft down a little bit. And this side is closed, and on the other entrance, the main entrance, where both sides are open. So at least she has an escape route. Like I said, it is glued and stapled up there, so it should hold. It's all exterior glue, so, and it should seal it. And yeah, all cleaned up. Hopefully she doesn't reject it. Hopefully she'll like it. I know she made herself a nice cozy nest in there, so I guess we'll see till later. All right, stay tuned. All right, so it's probably 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I called for her, she wasn't around, so I looked up and she peeked out. So she's already in her nest. I guess she was napping in there. She's just chilling on that porch of hers. So she had to know there's another entrance now. So she's just chilling out for like the last few minutes there. Just staring out. Cool. Yeah, her structure, her nest box, it's like 20 feet up. Who I was kidding? 15. It was nowhere 15. It's like at least 20 feet up. Maybe a little more than that. Yeah. The things you do to keep your squirrels safe. Well, at least this one. This one. I'm enticing her with a walnut. Come on. There you go. So, good news. I did see her, you wanna hop on? You wanna hop on? I did see her using the new entrance going in, and then she popped out on the other side. So, it's all good. Looks like she don't mind that new entrance. And she's gonna probably bury that one, I'm sorry, that almond I just gave her. Yep. So I've also noticed that her color is changing a little bit. She's getting more brown on the pads on the top side of her foot and her her paws basically, and there's more brown on the strictly on the side of it on her. If you see, if I zoom in a little bit. Comes, hey, hi. Oh, there she goes. She knows where her stash is. You got it? You got it? You enjoying that? Just sit in my hand. Hey, you done with that? Yeah, she's going back for more. It's coming to the end of the night here. Almost. It's like 4:30, almost 5 o'clock. I gotta get going soon for work as well. I gotta work a little bit tonight, but Leroy came back. I called her. She came running over and grabbed a walnut for me. I'm sorry, an almond for me, and took up on a tree. She's afraid of chickens. Well, the noise that they made with the leaves, the rustling of the leaves. But today I saw her just charging at one of the chickens today, which is bold but stupid at the same time, because that could be a hawk. I mean, I don't know if she's gonna know. I hope so. But she emptied out her running across the field, try to bury the almond. Yeah, she emptied out her nut. This chicken chasing after her. She'd emptied out her nut earlier. I just refilled it up a little bit. She's behind the chicken, burying an almond somewhere. The chicken coop. Yeah, I grabbed her. I found a mushroom on the ground. I don't know if she would know if it is edible for her, I guess. But I left it on this tray for her. I don't know. It's like purplish color. It was white on top. I don't know if you can see. There you go. You see that? It's kind of weird color. Oh, there she is again. She's back. She's back for more. Hey, I refilled your jar, your nuts bowl. Go, get out of here, you. I'm talking to the chickens. Hey, what are you doing? You coming? Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. You going to get a nut? There you go. You're taking off? All right. Yeah, she's off again. It's like a common routine for this time of year, I guess. I don't know if do squirrels, you guys might know that are watching. You guys seem to know a lot more. Do squirrels hide their nuts all year round, or is it just one of the fall things preparing for the winter? I'm just curious. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go out to get some work done. So thanks for tuning in again, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the comments that you guys have been posting. I really enjoy them. I really enjoy some of the things that you shared as well. So, all right. Have a great day or night out there. Take care. Bye bye.